All right, boys and girls, welcome back. We are day 2 with our word analysis, our unit 2, week 3. Our story is scene 2, and we're going to continue with our prefix re, and it means again as a reminder for you. And our next spelling word that is with the prefix re is rearrange. And we begin with finding the base word or the root word. I am going to change that so that we are consistent. We're going to find that root word, which is, as I've highlighted here for you, arrange. And we know that the word arrange means to put things in a neat or required order. So if we change or if we add the prefix re to our root word, then the word rearrange now changes its meaning and it means to put things in a neat order again, which means you're going to do it all over again. I want you to rearrange my desk the way I had them before. So I want you to put them back in the order that they were before. So I want you to rearrange. All right. So let's see what's in store as we continue. Look there. Our next prefix is non, meaning not. Not to be confused, but is the same or similar as we talked about earlier yesterday, dis, D-I-S. So let's get started looking at our first word, nonfiction. All right, and as we have done before, highlighting our root word, and that would be what, boys and girls? You're absolutely correct. Good listening and good reading. Fiction is our root word, and it means short stories and novels that have imaginary people and events. So when we add non as our prefix, the new meaning of our word becomes short stories and novels that do not have imaginary people and events. So these would be your nonfiction stories, like if you were reading about ants, or if you were reading about a particular person, like a biography on George Washington or your favorite basketball player. Those would be our nonfiction books. Very good. I am so proud of you. Now, let's take a look at our next vocabulary, our spelling word. The next word that we have is nonsense. And let's underline this one here. And what do you think our root word is going to be? Absolutely. It is highlighted right here, but you knew it ahead of time. It is the word sense. And sense means an understanding of or becoming. Now, we also know that sense has to do with many of our senses, eyes, ears, taste, touch, but it has to do with an overall meaning of our understanding. So if we add non or not in front of this as our prefix, then we change the meaning to not understanding something. So if it's nonsense, then it's not understood. It's not making sense. So nonsense words that sometimes you had to read for fluency when you were younger, like fap, app, fap. Those words didn't make sense to you. Those were nonsense words. You didn't have a clear understanding of those. All right? Well, you have done a fabulous job. I am so proud of you. I'm going to go back, though. We did do it, okay? Looking at your spelling list, I put that back up there. Don't forget, rearrange. We're going to look at pre-cook, pre-mix, pre-select, and preview tomorrow for day 3. So have a good afternoon, and I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.